Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're diving into the transformative field of cloud engineering. Cloud engineering focuses on designing, deploying, and managing cloud computing solutions that provide scalable and flexible IT resources over the Internet. This discipline is at the forefront of modern computing, enabling businesses to innovate and scale rapidly. Cloud engineering encompasses various subfields, including cloud architecture, cloud security, cloud development, and cloud operations. At its core, cloud engineering is about leveraging cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud to create efficient and reliable systems. This involves setting up virtual servers, storage, databases, and networking resources that can be scaled on demand. The cloud engineering workflow involves several stages: designing cloud architectures, deploying cloud resources, developing cloud-native applications, and managing cloud operations. Engineers use tools like infrastructure as code (IAC) to automate the deployment and management of cloud resources, ensuring scalability, reliability, and security. Cloud engineering has a transformative impact on various sectors. In web hosting, cloud platforms provide scalable and cost-effective solutions for hosting websites and applications. In data storage, cloud services offer secure and reliable storage options for businesses of all sizes. Cloud-based machine learning services enable data scientists to train and deploy models efficiently. The Internet of Things IoT relies on cloud infrastructure to manage and analyze data from connected devices. Now, let's look at the future of cloud engineering. The field is rapidly evolving, with several trends shaping its trajectory. One significant trend is the growth of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies. Businesses are increasingly using multiple cloud providers and integrating on-premises infrastructure with cloud services to enhance flexibility and avoid vendor lock-in. Serverless computing is another groundbreaking trend. Serverless platforms allow developers to build and run applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. This model improves scalability, reduces operational complexity, and enables faster development cycles. Functions as a service FaaS and backend as a service BaaS are key components of serverless computing. Edge computing is also gaining traction. Edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to the sources of data, reducing latency and improving performance. This approach is essential for applications that require real-time processing, such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and industrial IoT. Security and compliance are critical concerns in cloud engineering. Engineers are developing advanced security measures such as zero-trust architectures, encryption, and identity management to protect cloud environments. Ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA is also a top priority. In summary, cloud engineering is a dynamic and essential field that powers modern digital infrastructure. Its applications are vast, and its future is promising, driven by advancements in multi-cloud strategies, serverless computing, edge computing, and enhanced security practices. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.